Can't believe it. Oh, child. Say hi, Grandpa.
Okay.
See, there's her new Valentine's dress. New Valentine dress. And
She's pretty today.
oh, she's beautiful.
Yeah, it's not going to work, Amber.
Beautiful.
It'll
See,
broke
Grandpa?
again. There.
Grandma
There's
picks
all
out
the
those
good
toys.
toys.
You gotta get one of Amber.
Grandma
Say hi,
sure picks
Grandpa.
out those toys.
Oh, okay, she's getting fussy. Okay.
She just
Go by Mama. Go over there by Mama.
come see Papa.
Go see Mama.
Come
Go
tell
see
Papa Happy Valentine's.
There, she's gonna say it.
Tell Papa Happy Valentine's.
She's got her eyes on that car. Oh, she is so much more focused. I can't believe it.
Don't take them long.
Oh, aren't you glad you got that cool on? They're perfect for winter and stuff.
Yeah.
They're just that extra warmth, you know, with the legs and stuff. Oh, it's coming. Oh, excuse me. Oh. Look at that little red. That's going better than it did at Christmas time.
That's a
Here it
different
comes.
one.
Oh, boy. Oh, it missed you, Amber.
You should have seen Bill pawing them racks of clothes and stuff yesterday.
Where were you at?
We were all over.
Where did you end up finding these at?
Where we?
I didn't see these.
Well, good.
Well, that's lucky because there was only one of those.
One of those birdies.
Yeah, there was only one like
But
that
there
with
was
the
about
hearts. Because wanted something with Valentine's.
6 of those. But they were on different racks. But that was funny because they were similar, you know.
Jill, do you think that's cute?
She only wears it to church. Turn it.
I know. And
We're gonna be late.
Here we go.
Come on, Amber.
Okay,
It's 9
in the
o'clock.
bag we go.
Come on, girl.
You gotta
We gotta go bye-bye. We'll come back.
Bye, Anna. Those
Look at the little
shoes.
shoes.
My God.
You gotta go.
Mommy keeps you so cute. There's nothing else you
We'll
put
come
on
back
her
and
here?
No. The blanket over. That's all right.
Yeah, hey, why don't you just stay here and go with us now?
Oh, no,
Yeah,
I
we're
guess
gonna
it's not.
talk some more
I know,
when I get
stretched
back.
it.
Uncle Bob says I should put this stuff.
No, Aunt Lois isn't right now. Look at that right here. Oh, honey, you're pretty late. No, Peter, sweetheart.
Going to church now?
You look so pretty. What you looking for? A Kleenex? Here, Dad got some.
We'll come back.
What time are you going to be back, dressed and ready to go?
About 50 minutes.
Okay.
What's my
Can you make it 40?
blanket?
If you leave before communion, right? You
Yeah, leave before communion, you can make it in time.
Bye, Anna.
See you later.
Bye-bye. Oh, well, thank you.
16th of February.
Yeah. That's Anna with Papa.